In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see saved homes on Zillow Maps. Whether you're in the market for a new home or just love browsing listings, knowing how to access your saved homes on Zillow can make the process a lot smoother and more organized. First, let's head over to Zillow's website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in Zillow.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the familiar Zillow homepage. This is where you'll find the tools and options to guide your property browsing experience. Next, make sure you log into your account. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do so to access your saved homes. Look for the Login button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Enter your details and proceed. Logging in not only lets you view your saved homes, but also saves your browsing history and personalized settings, making your next visit even more convenient. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon. You'll find this icon also at the top right of the page. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can manage your account settings and preferences. It's a convenient hub for all your Zillow activities, including listing management, profile settings, and of course, your saved homes. Now, within that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Saved Homes. Click on it and this will direct you to the page where all the properties you've bookmarked during your browsing sessions are neatly organized. Here, you can view details for each home you've shown interest in, which is incredibly helpful if you're comparing options or just keeping tabs on real estate trends. And there you have it. You should now be on the page displaying all your saved homes. This view is particularly useful if you're revisiting properties you've liked in the past, or keeping an eye on homes that may have had price changes. Additionally, Zillow will usually provide updates on any listings you've saved, such as status changes or new photos, which can be particularly useful if you're actively looking to buy. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Whether you're just saving homes for future reference or actively curating a list of potential dream homes, Zillow makes it straightforward to manage your list. If you have any questions or need further assistance navigating Zillow, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help.